Hey, this is Cooking with Jeannie. Let's make some delicious gorditas de chicharron. One is made with a spicy salsa verde and the other is crushed and stuffed in the middle. Let's get started. First, you add your 4 cups of maseca and mix 1 teaspoon of salt and give it one good mix. Next, you want to add in small amounts of water at a time and continue to mix. You just want to continue mixing your masa or your corn mix until it's not sticky anymore and you have a soft and not too dry consistency. Once your masa or your corn mix is done, cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now let's make our green salsa. Add in 10 tomatillos, 1 garlic clove, and 2 serrano peppers. Bring them to a boil and always make sure to wash them. Tomatillos boil quickly, try not to overboil them. Once they change color, take them out. Add your tomatillos, your serrano pepper, and your garlic to the blender and add 1 teaspoon of Knorr chicken seasoning and 1 teaspoon of salt and blend. Now you add in your 1/4 piece of onion, your 1/2 cup of cilantro, and just do a quick blend. And now your green salsa is done. Next, add oil to a pan, bring it to medium heat, and add in your salsa. And you just want to bring that up to a boil. And now you add in your chicharron and make sure to give it a good mix with your salsa. And just continue to cook for about 5 minutes or so. Your salsa is evaporating and you need to add water. Add in small amounts of water at a time. Just make sure you don't have a watery salsa. Once your chicharron is soft and tender, turn off your heat and set it aside and let it cool down. And now let's make some just with chicharron. Add some to a Ziploc bag and just pound them till they're all crushed. Now add your chicharron to a bowl and set aside. Now let's add our oil to our masa. Make sure to give it a good mix that your oil is well blended. Once your masa is ready, let's make a golf-sized ball. And then you're going to use your 3 fingers and you're going to make a pocket or a hole so you can put your chicharron inside. Once you added your chicharron inside, you just want to fold over the masa or your corn mix until you covered the hole completely, and then just continue to make a ball again. And then with pressure, you're going to go back and forth and using your fingers and shaping your gordita. Next, let's make a plain gordita. Make a golf-sized ball. Go back and forth in your hand using pressure in your fingers to shape your gordita. Here I'm using a Presto griddle pan. I did add a small amount of oil to the top. My temperature is around 375. Add your gorditas and cook them on one side until it's golden brown and flip them. And you just want to continue to flip them until the inside is fully cooked. When you know that your gordita is done, when you feel the middle, it feels hollow or soft to touch. Now let's open our gordita. Make sure to cut slow and be careful. This gordita is the chicharron that we crushed and filled in the middle. And now let's add in some fresh lettuce, some tomato, some queso fresco, some crema mexicana, and your favorite salsa. Now let's make our other gordita. Make sure to cut slow and be careful. Let's add in our chicharron with salsa verde or our chicharron with green salsa. Now let's add in our fresh lettuce, our tomato, our queso fresco, our crema mexicana, and some more salsa. And now you have some homemade, delicious gorditas de chicharron. Thank you for watching this recipe. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't and share this video.